Nindani wamena shusha kuti football olo bola makes you healthy olo kunkala chapi wa udongo kapena ushusha mverako listen to this bola ifuno chaya bola ifuno chaya bola atikuti ninkale na mubiri wa mpamvu.
When we look at our children, especially the little ones, I feel they are ambassadors of good health. So if we teach them at this very tender age, they will grow with these, attitudes and also, good behavior towards health and sanitation on how they can live in a good environment. On the part of sport, you don't just play sport. You need to also take care of your health, and also look at yourself as, respect your body, and also you need to clean your body. So we start from there to educate these children. So integrating these two has really been a wonderful thing, because it has been easy actually for us to disseminate information to these children. It has really been an eye-opener to the children that we are working with.
Jina Steven Mwanza kutoka kuli Livingstone. Tima tia Bola mu YDF. Waya matipunzisa wa YDF katoka toilet. Kusamba kumanja na kukirina pa surround. Kuna kumwa manzi kapa pompi. Na kumwa manzi ya doti.
My name is Victor Mieva. I'm a social economist at Devolution Trust Fund. This is an organization established by an act of parliament. So as a fund, we actually support projects in water supply and sanitation. Every time you bring a community together and ask them to prioritize their problems, you find sanitation is really down there in the lower ranks. And as a result, we've tried to find an innovative way of making sure that at least the issue of sanitation is brought to the front, and also households realize that sanitation is about hygiene and hygiene is about sanitation. And using this football team, we can disseminate some of the information based on the modules that have been developed with the YDF Zambia and GTZ Zambia.
My name is Gerald Kuskowski. I'm a project manager of youth development through football. We know that football is extremely popular with a lot of young children with low access to basic education. So we use the popularity of football to target those children and to involve them by playing football into lots of different educational life skills exercises. If the coach tells the youngster that's playing football to wash his hands afterwards, it has a lot of impact.
We know that children are the most vulnerable to waterborne diseases, and when we look at the areas that these children are coming from, these are areas that are faced with poor and bad sanitary facilities. We establish football teams. Each team comprises of 10 children, both male and female, and we also have 12 football coaches that train them. So we incorporate the health and hygiene promotion into the football trainings and sessions. The idea is you have 5 stations which represent the 5 pillars in our health and hygiene promotion. So on a normal day during a training or a tournament, you find that we divide the children into groups, and then they have to visit each of those stations. We're equipping them with the correct information, which is aimed at raising their awareness in the causes of waterborne diseases. And then also we expect them to influence other spheres, such as the homes they are coming from, their fellow pupils in school, as well as the communities in which they live.
My name is Simone Klavitter. I'm working on behalf of the German government for the GDZ Water Sector Reform Program here in Zambia. It is internationally known that sanitation, you can't just implement infrastructure. So what I always used to say, money is not enough. You always have to build capacity among the people, and here, especially for sanitation, health and hygiene education is very important. So football has a very, very high potential to get a lot of kids together off the streets, and we use it as an entry point for education and life skill development. So the kids are coming to the training, and at the same time they're getting education about health and hygiene related issues.
My name is Mchisha. Ndetota pa YDF afya kukolesa batupere bali chitabuno bali tupera na batupera kusoka na batupera mashati na batupera na majesi elisi bakochi sapato na mastoke ni mfimi fa batupera kwa kipa.
I'm William Njovu. I'm part of Zambia national soccer team, popularly known as Chipolo. I feel it's really a great honor to be here. Football is like one of the most popular sports in Zambia, and I think it's the best asset that we can use to reach out to the community, especially young kids who participate in the tournament. I think hygiene helps you to stay fit, and football also helps you to stay fit. And the two of them, they really make a good team.
I'm very proud of William Njovu. National team, national team.
YDF, Youth Development Through Football. Play clean, we win.
For a healthy community, YDF ni zwala kata.